Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will look at the 3 mistakes experts make that kill their sales. And of course, I'm going to show you how to fix them. Are you ready to learn? Let's do this. Okay, so welcome again to my channel, and in this video we're going to help you move from self-sabotage, especially when it comes to your sales. And because I like to say that selling is serving, so if you're here to serve the world, if you're here to make this world a better place, as an expert, you have to learn to communicate the value you have to offer, because people will not know. Enough of saying a good product will sell itself. Yes, that's true, but it is only a known good product that sells itself. If no one knows about your product, there is no way they are going to buy your product. Okay, so let's save you from the self-sabotage of, oh, they'll just come to just buy from me. No. Okay, so there are 3 mistakes that are quietly killing your expert business, and in this video I'm going to show you how to avoid those mistakes or how to fix them, just in case you are already making those mistakes. So the first mistake is selling your time instead of the transformation you have to offer. So doing this thing where you say people can buy 6 sessions from you for $3,000, or they can buy 4 sessions for $200. That kind of thing is commoditizing your expertise. It is literally putting you in a category as though you are an item. Okay? Or it's at best, it's putting you on a job category. So if you're charging someone, let's say $300 per hour as an expert, and someone thinks, oh, hello, on my job, I get maybe like $60 per hour or maybe even $70 per hour, and you are charging $300, it begins to look like disproportionate. You know, when they think that, okay, maybe a surgeon is earning maybe $200, $300 per hour. So what are you going to do, that you are charging that amount? It honestly is just commoditizes your value, and we don't want that. So what do? You sell transformation instead. Okay? You fix your messaging such that it is promise based. It is based on what people would get. So even if you would help them achieve that thing in 6 hours or in 10 hours, it does not matter. Or even in 1 hour, it does not matter. So there's something Myron Golden says that I really, really appreciate. He talks about, he said, if he has an offer that tells you, I'm going to show you how to make, for example, an extra 100K in your business this month. And I'm going to teach you this in 17-hour video and 13 worksheets. And I will charge you $1,000 for it. Or I'm going to teach you the same thing, how to make an extra 100K in your business, but I'm going to teach you in 40 minutes and 1 worksheet. But it's going to cost you $10,000. Which one would you choose? Most likely, I know I will choose the one of just 40 minutes or 1 hour and 1 worksheet. That's it. Why? I want to save time. I want to get results very, very quickly, because I know that time is more valuable than money. So you want to fix your messaging, fix your sales pages, fix your sales pitches, fix your webinar content, whatever it is you use to sell, and remove the idea of hourly based. You want to remove that from your messaging. Make it more of promise-based positioning, where you are positioned as the person who carries their solution. And it's not based on the hours you can offer them, because somebody on your team may be able to fix that problem. Maybe you just need to do the strategy, and you just share, step 1, step 2, step 3, this, map out the whole strategy. And then it's someone on your team who then executes it. and they may spend 16 hours on it. Doesn't matter. Or they may spend 2 hours on it. Doesn't matter. What matters is the value of that problem being solved to your customer. Okay. The second mistake that you may be making is having a no follow-up system. I see so many experts create freebies. Everyone and their mother and their mothers are creating freebies these days. They're creating free download, free videos, free this, but there is no follow-up system in their freebies, in their free calls, in whatever it is they are giving. There's no follow-up system. So there is no email sequence. There is no checking in the DM. You have invited someone to the DMs to take action on something. Naturally, by the following day, right? By the following day, you should check up on them. Oh, have you taken this action? Have you done this thing? Have you clicked the link? Did it work for you? That's following up on them. So if all you do is pitch, but you never follow up, you are losing like 70% of the sales. So you don't only want to pitch something, you want to have a system, a follow-up system that is doing the job even on your behalf. Something you can automate. Something you can just simply, create it once and it can work for you over and over and over again. The third mistake you want to avoid is talking to the wrong people. Yeah, talking to the wrong people. So what do I mean? A lot of experts have not identified their ideal customer. So you need to know that the people you are selling to and the people who are consuming your content sometimes are two different people. We have your consumers and we have your customers. We have your fans, we have your clients. You don't want to be speaking to your fans or to your consumers. Why? They are not the ones paying you. Fans don't pay. Well, some fans pay. I mean, like football fans. Well, most of them are like, oh. Those who really pay are like, the brands that, make deals with the sports guy. But you know what I mean, right? So you want to be sure that you are talking to your customers, talking to the people who are likely to buy. So you want to qualify your leads. Qualify the people you are talking to. Don't try to sell to everyone. So what I teach in my Wealthy by Design program is create a qualifying stage in your funnel. Not everyone should land on your booking calendar. No. Everyone should land on a qualifying page where you ask them a couple of questions. And based on what they say, based on the answers they give, they are qualified. So there's something we call pre-qualification. So based on what they said, some things are triggered in your automation. All right. You set the logic. It's called logic in the platform I use, Wow Funnels. And I'll put the link below this video. It's a white label version of Go High Level in a nutshell. So we set the logic to say those who select this are the ones who should see the next page. And that next page is to book a call with me. But those who don't qualify based on what they said should be led to a simple thank you page and then offer them something, maybe a downsell or whatever for them to go and check out, but not for them to book a call with you. Are we together here? So the solution here is qualify your leads. Don't sell to everyone. Okay. Now, one thing you need to know is that sales is a process. It's not a one-time event. There are series of things. There are series of actions, series of ways for us to connect with people who are interested in what we sell. It's not a one-time touch. It's not a one touch and that's it. No. It's not a one-time wonder or a one-time hit. No. It's a series of events. It's layered after the other. Okay, it's a process. So, and take note that you don't need more leads. you need the right ones. You need to have the right people in your list, because you could have 50,000 people in your email list and yet they are all not worth it. They are not all your ideal clients. They're just some bunch of numbers and random people who don't even, who maybe cannot afford you or don't even need what you have to sell. So you want to be sure that you are talking to the right people and you are particular about their quality, not just their quantity. Now remember this, that 80% of leads require 5+ follow-ups. That's the standard. 5+, it could be 7, 8, 9, 10. But 80% requires it. Imagine you now give up after a second follow-up or a third follow-up. What happens? You've missed out. You've missed out. So what you want to do is ensure that you are following up on the people who have shown interest. And you do this not once, not twice, not thrice, not 4 times, but 5 times plus. So imagine selling to cold leads is like watering artificial plants. No matter what you do, they would not grow. That's what it's like to just sell right there on social media. No, you want to warm people up to yourself. You want to build a funnel from them just being aware of you to going all the way to becoming warm, where they are in a room with you to learn from you, to feel your energy, and then drilling down all the way before they hear about your offer. Okay, now if this makes sense to you and you're looking for ways to learn how to monetize your brilliance, I'm hosting a free webinar this week, this Thursday. I'm going to put the link below this video for you to sign up. But more importantly, you should also join my upcoming bootcamp. We're going to get back to this great episode in just a second, but I have a question for you. Can I help you package your brilliance into high-value premium offers? Position yourself as the go-to authority and start building wealth by design and not by default? And can I do it in just 5 days? Because that's exactly what I'll be doing this month inside the Wealthy by Design Bootcamp. In 5 transformational days, I'm going to walk you through how to package your expertise into irresistible premium offers. I'm going to show you how to create simple systems that scale your impact and income. Then I'll show you how to build authority so that your clients come to you ready to pay. And I'll show you how to multiply your income streams and elevate your influence. This bootcamp is hands-on, practical, and designed for visionary women who are tired of hustling and ready to scale with purpose. Thousands of women already use this exact framework to design a business and life they love. And now it's your turn. Now, I know you won't just be there for the information. You want transformation. And that's why I've created special upgrade options for you. With a VIP ticket, you get my exclusive Wealthy by Design workshop and template, so you can apply everything immediately. Plus, replay access to the bootcamp videos, so you can go back to the lessons and glean all the nuggets you may have missed during the live session. And with a platinum ticket, you'll get the opportunity to get a live one-on-one coaching from me during the bootcamp. This means you come on Zoom, ask me your questions, and I'll coach you personally to design a customized expert monetization strategy just for you. Look, whether you grab a general ticket, upgrade to VIP for the workbook and replay, or go platinum for live coaching, you're going to leave this bootcamp with a clear blueprint to monetize your brilliance, multiply your impact, and master your message as the go-to authority in your industry. This is a bootcamp you don't want to miss. So go to wealthybydesignhq.com/bootcamp to get your ticket to the bootcamp. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Visit the link, grab your ticket now, and I'll see you inside the Wealthy by Design Bootcamp. I trust that this video has been helpful to you. If yes, let me know in the comments. And if you watched to this level, send me a chat on LinkedIn. Yes, just send me a DM, Dr. Temi Ajibewa. I'll put the link to my Instagram below as well. Send me a DM and just say lemon. Yeah, I would know you watched this video, and I would love to also interact with you as well. Connect with you on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.